Hindi ko na masyadong matandaan, no? But there's an account na nag-post nito sa Facebook. Nakita niyo yung price ng mga bahay noon. Like, the down payment is only 900 pesos. And then, 100 pesos monthly lang yung amortization. Nakakaloko. Dito yan sa Dr. Santos Avenue, Parañaque, Rizal. I don't know kung legit to, pero yes. Credits to the owner of this post. Tapos tignan mo siya, oh, company finance houses, 2 bedrooms, 200 square meters na siya, guys. With a down payment of 3,920. Tapos monthly amortization would only be from 307 to 364 pesos. Kapag houses built in 90 days, napakabilis naman, guys. May 2 bedrooms, ayan, dito sa baba. And then, pwede rin yung mga sa SSS and GSIS houses, may 3 bedrooms. Grabe, nakakaloka yung presyo, 1,500 pesos lang. Second down mo is 3,300, and then the monthly amortization would only be 227 pesos. Nakakalurky. Pero who knows magkano ba yung sweldo way back, no? And just imagine how much yung nag-gain itong mga property, like yung mga nakabili nito, and then they turn it over to their